Ciao Tesla people, today I wanted to check out the emergency kit that comes with my Tesla Model Y Performance Juniper and then compare it to the previous Model Y Performance, the legacy one, which I kept. Okay, so here is the emergency kit, actually the two emergency kits. So this one is from my new Model Y Juniper Performance, and this is from the old one. Okay, so let's open it. Open. And here what it came out is the triangle. Now here in Italy, I think in Europe, this is required by law. If you don't have this, you get fined. And also what is required is the emergency jacket or vest. And I think this is yellow. Yeah, it's yellow color. This is the vest that you have to wear if you stop for an accident or you stop on the sides of the car or the road. You have to have this and this guy. Okay, so these are required. And then you get band-aids, elastic band-aids, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, and then you get triangular band-aids. Okay, very good. Some tape. Yeah, adhesive tape. Very good. Here you get some information, of course. Then you get sterile absorbent non-woven compress. Very cool. You got some scissors. They're okay, nothing special. So you get two of this. Let me put the scissor back. Then you get a mask. One of those these masks. I think I should put in other type of mask, maybe the N95, because this just yeah, these are normal ones. What else? I get a foil blanket. This is for emergency blanket, the ones that look like a spaceship blanket, gold, or this is made of gold. Yeah, not made of gold. It's like gold color. Some band-aids, adhesive band-aids, some cleaning wipes. Yep, very cool. And then you get some more roll. The one we saw before, I think it's a sterile. Yep, some more rolls here. Very cool. And some more. This is a sterile first aid dressing band-aid. Okay, very cool. So basically that's it. It's cool that they have an emergency. Let me put it back. Like it's pretty similar to the old one. So the old one had a similar triangle here. Yeah, let me check out this guy. Yeah, it's similar. Actually, it's the same basically. Very cool. And I had again the blanket here, the mask. I think the scissor is a bit better. Let me check. Actually, this one goes back here. Sorry about the car. Yeah, so the scissor here is better. Yeah, it's definitely better. Nothing special, of course, but it's better. Better made, which okay, cool. So pretty cool. It's just very similar, so nothing has changed beside the scissor. Everything else looks like the same. Even the numbers of band-aids and stuff are the same. Yeah, pretty much the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5. The tape and the other band-aids stuff. Basically, so so they are the same. The only thing difference is the scissor, which is not a big deal, but I keep both of them inside the car. And that's it. Very, very cool that actually Tesla put an emergency kit inside the car, and that are included with the triangle and vest. So I have other vests from other cars, but this one are included, so I keep it because everybody, if you stop on the side of the road, everybody who is in a car and should get out and wear the vest. So usually we are 4 people when we travel a lot, so 4 vests is good. Anyway, so check out my Tesla referral. If you buy Tesla, use my referral code. And please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, comment, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.